Welcome back. 10th class English session. We were discussing about the story A Tiger in the House in our previous classes. Now let's have the other paragraphs. Look at the paragraph. He was by this time the size of a full grown retriever. Who was full grown? The tiger cub was full grown. That means the tiger cub was grown up by the time. And it was a full grown up. It was a full grown up. In Oriya we say bhendiya aigalaani. Full grown up means bhendiya. In Oriya we say like this. Who was full grown up? Who was full grown up? The tiger cub. Timothy was full grown up by this time. And when I took him out for walks every day, the writer used to take Timothy out for walk. People on the road, what did I say? People on the road would give as a wide berth. Could understand? When they were on their way to walk, the people on the road remained a great distance from Timothy. Why? Because people feared that Timothy would attack them. That is why they would give them a wide berth. Gave the writer and Timothy more space. People did not venture to come to whom? Come to Timothy or the writer. Could understand? When he pulled hard on his chain, I had difficulty in keeping up with him. Could understand? Timothy was full grown. He was energetic and put on a lot of strength while they were on the road. If Timothy pulled the chain, could understand? The rider could not control him. When Timothy pulled the chain, the rider was automatically pulled up. Could understand? That means Timothy was full grown up and put on a lot of energy and strength. And it was difficult to control Timothy in physical. This is the writer's viewpoint about Timothy's growing stage. So his favorite place in the house was the drawing room. That means Timothy always stayed perched in the drawing room, and he would make himself comfortable, mulayam. He would make himself comfortable on the long sofa, and always used to sit on a long sofa, that to majestically like a king. Could understand? Very stylishly he would sit on the long sofa in the drawing room. Reclining there, as I am reclining, look at me. I am reclining against the head. So, reclining there with great dignity and snaring at anybody who tried to get him up. That means Timothy would sit. Timothy would sit on the long sofa. And sofa is not a place for any animal. It's for people. So if anybody came and asked him to get up, if asked Timothy to get up from the sofa, Timothy would get angry. Huh? You are saying me to get up? Is this your sofa? Timothy will ask. Is this your sofa? This is sofa, my master's sofa. So I am sitting here. Why are you getting me up here? Go, 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 go. Who would say?
Tiger.
Tiger would say. Could understand? So Timothy thought that long sofa was only for him. Except Timothy, nobody could sit there, and if he is on the sofa, no one should make him get up the sofa. Could understand? Timothy had a clean habit, very neat and clean. Timothy was very neat and clean. Timothy did not let or allow even a dust to settle on his face or body. Could understand? So very neat and clean. Timothy had a clean habits and would scrub his face or wipe his face with his paws, exactly like a cat. Suppose dust settled on his face, it was not his liking. So immediately he will move his paws on his face and wipe the dust or dirty thing from the face. A very clean habit. He kept at night in the cook's quarter. Where did he sleep at night? Where did he sleep at night?